outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here. They're all gonna say what they wanna say anyway. Might as well give them something, might as well give them something to talk about. I don't really...
Hi, welcome to my hotel room. So, when you first walk in, we have our closet, and it just has like the basic stuff, like our bags and our ironing boards. Then we have our beautiful bathroom. I always love hotel bathrooms, they're so pretty. And what we have here are some of the things. I put some of my stuff out. The tissues are really pretty. I have my headband, soap, obviously the sink, some little thing here, some sunscreens because it does get pretty hot, and then just some things they provided us with. Then we have our towels, and then down here we have some towels for us to take a shower, or like face towels. And then we have a hair dryer and some extra toilet paper and some extra toilet paper, because you never know if like one of us takes a dump and like uses the whole rest of it because it's almost already gone. Then we have our trash can, our toilet. Oh, don't mind me. I was just taking a bath. Obviously, we have our bathtub, and then we have some more towels. And then I really, really like the shower head on this. It's super fancy. Then we have our bar soap. Then up here I have some of my conditioners and shampoos, and my really, really, really cute like scrubby, like loofah that you use to wash your body. And it's so cute. I love it so much. So, then we just have this to like hang stuff on. Then over here we have a sitting stool to just, I don't know, put your shoes on or something. So, now, let's go on. Oh, and we have the light. And let's go on here. So we have to have the light to turn this off and on. My friend is being really weird. But here is her bed. And here's her bed, and she has all her stuff here. Oh my god. And then we have me and my friend Natalie's bed. And so we have my unicorn. We have my unicorn with my little face mask on it. And then here we have another sitting area where we can sit on the couch. And then over here, if you look closely, you can see that we have a little thing to... Oh my god, Andrea, are you okay? We have a little thing to plug our phones in. Then coming this way, we have little shoes. These are my shoes, those are my friend Natalie's. Then come here, and we just have this weird thing and a sweater. I don't know why there's a sweater here. I obviously cleaned this room. Take your sweater.
She's so abusive.
Sorry about that. Then come here, and we have our... We have our sitting area where you can do desk stuff, and then here we have this, some magazines, and then here we have some goodies, like nerds and these. I'm trying to put the wires back.
I'm shutting it off.
Okay. Then we have our... So then I have my phone charging right now, and a little lamp, so it can be kind of bright and then really bright. So, then over here, we have our TV. We have an LCD TV, and here we have some waters and like an ice thing we can put ice in. And then down here we have our chaperone's bag, which is Andrea's mom.
Yeah.
And then here we have Natalie's clothes, and then here we have my clothes. Here are my school clothes. Here are my t-shirts. Here are my bottoms, my undies, and my socks. Then in here we have nothing because Andrea doesn't like to unpack. Have a mini fridge, and since we're coming here with our school, they were smart and put nothing in it because they would know people would try and buy stuff from it. I mean, get stuff from it, and that would charge them like $200. Okay, and the thing I forgot to tell you about the room is that it's covered in like very pretty rooms and everything and things like that. And yeah.